the S Pen stands out as one of the innovative feature in the Ultra lineup, or previously, the Note lineup. Now, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung is aiming to bring something extra to the table. It's all about blending classic tech with a sleek modern twist, trust me. But that's not all. Samsung is diving headfirst into the AI-first smartphone realm, a frontier that Google paved the way for with the Pixel 8 Pro. Enter Samsung Gauss, the AI building blocks that are set to revolutionize the hardware of the Galaxy S24 family. We're not just talking incremental upgrades here, we're talking about potential functions that could change the way we interact with our smartphones. And it's not just limited to Ultra model that's getting the AI goodness, it's every member in the S24 family. And here's the latest scoop. Trademark documents discovered by Galaxy Club spill the beans on Samsung's big AI move. They've filed for not one, but two intriguing trademarks, AI smartphone and AI phone, in both the EU and the UK. Now, these terms might sound like the usual tech jargon, but Samsung's bold move to trademark them in South Korea suggests something big. The Galaxy S24 isn't just a smartphone, it's being positioned as an AI smartphone, specifically tailored for those who love the precision of a stylus. Think about it, a smartphone that's not just smart but AI smart. The implications are massive. With Samsung Gauss under the hood, we're looking at a device that can potentially understand and adapt to your preferences, making your smartphone experience more intuitive than ever. It's not just about keeping up with the times, it's about setting the pace. So, as we eagerly await the Galaxy S24 Ultra and its AI prowess, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Are you excited about the marriage of classic tech and cutting-edge AI in the upcoming Samsung flagship? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and I'll catch you in the next one.